Goodbye. Snoring, hello restful sleep. Does your partner snore like a lion and keep you from sleeping? We have a simple solution that could help. A dry environment can irritate your airways, causing or worsening snoring. A humidifier adds moisture to the air. Humidifying the air lubricates the airways, reducing inflammation and making breathing easier. Less irritation, less snoring. Don't wait any longer to have peaceful nights. Buy a humidifier, place it in your bedroom and see the difference. Share this video with other couples who suffer from snoring and follow us for more tips.